Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? It's Fox Like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Done, yada done dada, however you want to know me. It's your girl. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing our Boxycharm unboxing today. This is our February base box, and I know everything looks a little bit different. We're going to be trying something new today. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and open the box, you guys. I'm super excited. Also, this video is going to be kind of short. If you guys would like to see sneak peeks of my Boxycharm unboxing, you should definitely follow me on Instagram. So here is what's in my box. So here is the card for this month. And it just says, "Be my Glamentine." I'm going to go ahead and read off the list. So first we have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus combined with targeted ingredients. Here is what the box looks like. It says this eye cream will improve moisture. It says it'll improve moisture retention. It also lures fine lines. And it also hydrates under your eye. So it has a secure patch here. And you just open it. I seen someone in the comments on Tremu, not on Tremu, but on Boxycharm say did anyone else's come half full? It doesn't have a smell. Okay. And I actually really love the Yuzu Vitamin C Moisturizer. It's an overnight moisturizer. This actually retails for $32. Next we have the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Stila's volumizing long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in intense triple black pigment and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest eyelashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. It says even with multiple colors, this mascara leaves your lashes soft with no flakes or clumps. So personally, I like the clumpy mascara look. I'm probably like, that's like really my favorite older trend, I would say. And here's what the spoolie or the lash one looks like. And this retails for $23. Next we have the Yenza Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow. Infused with 8 super-powered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. This lightweight invisible formula, this lightweight satin formula creates an invisible skin. So I don't know what that claim means, but here you are. Here's what the primer looks like, and I actually do need more primers, so I'm glad I got this in my box. This retails for $35. It gives you a perfect skin finish. And you guys tell me what that looks like on camera in the comments down below. That retails for $35. I'm not sure if I said it or not. Okay, you guys, the next product I'm truly not the most excited about, but we have the FEAUX Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. So it seems like FEAUX brand is to make things easier and make it a multitasking experience, so you can do 2-in-1, 4-in-1. Basically, this brand seems like their entire thing is to make sure you can do multiple things with one product. One thing I really do love from this FEAUX brand would actually be their Pen Pal. This has multiple different shades in it. This is actually one of the most creative things ever. This is literally one of my favorite little pens to use. And I just never really tried any brushes like this. So it says an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge brush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. So it does say each of these are made with premium synthetic fibers. Okay, so it's multiple. I thought it was just one. It says this retail for $28. Okay, so I pulled it out and the bristles are very soft. Okay, so we're just gonna pull it out. So nothing else is in it, but it's a 4-in-1. Okay, let's pull it apart. We have the sponge thing down here. I might start using this, y'all. I'm gonna test it out. Boxycharm surprises me. I mean, they send me things that I would never purchase. Like, I'm never gonna go out and purchase this. But Boxycharm sending it to me in a box, it gives me the chance to kind of experience it. And a lot of things they send me, I would never go and buy, but I actually like to, so now I go and buy them. So it looks like you can untwist this, okay, and there is, it doesn't pull out. Okay, so there's a small brush here. This is like actually low-key kind of perfect for travel. There's an eyeshadow brush here, and then, oh my gosh, yep, I low-key, this might be useful, y'all. Low-key, see, I was really upset about this at first. I mean, because I was reading comments and a lot of us weren't really excited about this, but I don't know. I'm excited because, I mean, I didn't pay for it. I didn't spend $28 on it, and I get to try it. So the brush does feel soft, and lately I haven't been using a sponge under my eyes, so this might be the perfect thing to kind of help my brush get under my eyes. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. Next, we have the Estée Cosmetic Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This ultra fine felt tip liner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing, lasting all day. It won't skip, tug, feather, smug, or run. So it says this does not run or anything. I love the packaging. It's giving estate vibes, actually. Like, I really like the packaging. Ooh, okay. It's kind of small, smaller than I expected. I don't know, smaller than I expected, you guys. Let's open it up, but it is cute. I love the gold, love the packaging. Oh, okay, so you don't twist it, you just pull it up. Okay, so it's just a pen. Let's give it a stroke. It is soft. Okay. I don't know. Let's see if, let me see if I could do a small. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, this might be able to work. This retails for $12. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's Boxycharm unboxing. Comment down below some items that you want to try.